In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Canva website to Wix. We'll walk through publishing your design as a website in Canva, grabbing the link and embedding it inside your Wix site using an HTML element. By the end, your Canva site will appear right on your Wix page, fully interactive and ready for visitors. Start in Canva by opening the design you want to use. In the top right corner, click Share, then choose Website. Canva will ask you to pick a layout style. Scrolling is great for longer pages, presentation works well for slide-like sections, and navigation gives you a simple multi-page feel. Pick the one that best matches your content, then click Publish Website. Canva will generate a public website link for you. Make sure the design is set to be publicly viewable, otherwise it won't display properly when embedded. Next, copy the website URL Canva provides and keep it handy. It typically looks like a my.canva.site address. You'll paste this into Wix in a moment. Now head over to Wix, log in, go to My Sites, open the site you want to edit, and click Edit Site. This takes you into the Wix editor, where you can place elements on your page. To embed your Canva website, click Add Elements on the left, scroll to Embed Code, and select Embed HTML. Drag the HTML element onto the page where you want your Canva site to appear. You can place it inside a section or strip to help it span the page neatly. Click Enter Code in the HTML settings. Paste an iframe that points to your Canva link. In plain terms, you're adding an iframe with the source set to your Canva website URL, the width at 100% so it fills the container, and a height like 800 pixels to start. Replace the placeholder link with your actual Canva URL, then click Update. If you don't see a preview, double check that the link begins with HTTPS and that your Canva site is published and public. Adjust the embedded area by dragging the corners of the HTML element to fine-tune width, height, and position. If you need more vertical room, increase the height value in the HTML settings, or simply stretch the element. Switch to Wix's mobile view and make sure everything fits neatly there as well. A taller height often improves the mobile experience. When you're happy with the layout, click Publish in Wix. Your Canva website will now appear inside your Wix page, and visitors can scroll and interact with it directly. That's all there is to it. Simple, clean, and no extra plugins required.